Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's Vlogmas day 6, day 6, and so I made a Christmas hat. So when I'm on this journey to create a Christmas hat on my own, quote unquote, I got my mom to teach me how to crochet, and I'm gonna show you my hat and how I went about the process and everything. So I know you guys might be wondering, but Kiana, why are you making a hat? Barbados is so hot, you are never going to wear a hat. So I basically came up with the idea to make a hat because it's Christmas, duh, and I just wanted to make a Christmas hat, to be honest. I'm very talented with my hands, and I believe that I could crochet. So I said, let me try this, and I may be able to unlock a talent that I never actually put to use. I was thinking about things that I could give to people this year without having to purchase something, and I came up with using my talents. So I have all sorts of gifts planned for my friends and stuff without actually having to purchase gifts. Going through this process, I was like, okay, so what is my talent that I could use to like give to my friends and stuff? So one of my cousins told me they wanted a hat, so I decided I'm gonna learn how to make a Christmas hat, and I make it for him. And straight away I got to work. It took me about 3 days to make this hat, and now that it's done, I'm gonna try to make my cousin's hat, knowing the knowledge that I have about making a hat for the first time. So now that I know God has gifted me with this talent, why waste it? So today's video is going to be about how I am allowing God to use my gifts in this Christmas season. I know normally when we think about Christmas gifts and everything, we think about presents underneath each Christmas tree, and already physical gifts that we can give to someone. I wanted to make this video to encourage you guys to choose gifts this year that God has blessed you with. God has blessed us with so many talents and so many spiritual gifts that we can use to help others this Christmas. So I'm asking you guys, as you go about this Christmas season, that you find a gift or a talent that God has blessed you with and use it to bless others. God has blessed each of us with different gifts, different talents. It could be singing, you could write a song for somebody. I can't write no songs. I was not blessed with that one. But you can write a song for somebody. You can do a poem if you're good at that. You can make something. If you're good at cooking, you can like make a meal and take it for one of your family members who aren't able to cook, or can't cook. People are able to cook but can't cook, and just share the joy with your talents. So I'm encouraging you guys, as I said before, to use your talent this Christmas season to make a smile on someone's face, put a smile on someone's face, share the joy that God has given us. This season is all about giving. This season is all about love, family, and a birth for Jesus. And because God has given us this great gift, which is His Son, I want to encourage you guys to give something more meaningful this Christmas, and not just something that you can put underneath the Christmas tree. So I know because it is Christmas, everybody's thinking about gifts and presents and family and eating all the good food and everything. But I want you guys to think about your talents and how you can use your talents to let your light shine this Christmas season. So I was reading a scripture, 1 Peter 4:10, and it's basically talking about using your talents and your gifts to share them with everybody, your family, your friends, anybody that you come into contact with. So my encouragement for today's video is that you guys use your talents and your gifts this Christmas season. Find what's your stronghold, your strong point with your gifts, and use them to be a blessing to somebody's life this Christmas. So when you go out and you see someone on the road and they're looking sad and you're a beautiful singer, you can just start singing around them and making them feel nice and all happy and Christmassy. Or if you are good at making cakes or stuff, instead of getting your aunt to do her normal Christmas cakes, you can chip in and say, "Auntie, I got this one for you." So simple ways like that, you can use your gifts, your God-given talents to, you know, spread the joy, spread the cheer of this season. And remember that God, our greatest gift, gave his life for us. So this Christmas, I'm asking you guys to use your talents, your gift, and do it with such a purpose that you have a great season and you allow people around you to have a wonderful season. And you don't always have to buy a gift, but you can use what you have, your given talent, which is a free gift from God, and multiply it. Don't be like the one man that got a talent and decided he can plant his talent and hide it, and then God had to take it away from him. Let each and every one of your talents be showcased this season. And if there's someone in the Christmas production that is looking for acting, you're a great actor. Don't hide and don't run from that talent that God has given you, that God has given you. That you're like, shine and go and say, "I can do it," and have a great season. So my talent that I picked up this year, or learned about and decided I'm gonna use it to bless someone's life, was crocheting. So as I told you guys, I made a hat. So this is my Christmas hat that I made, and I will showcase you guys how I went about making my Christmas hat and everything. Isn't it cute? It's a bit big for my head. I made it and it's a bit big for my head, so I might give it to someone as a gift and use that as my giving for this season. But I'm gonna take the talent that I have learned and the skill I have picked up making this hat and use it to make some Christmas gifts this year. Normally we are all about our Christmas list and what we are getting this Christmas, but I want you guys to think about how your gift could bless someone. Instead of receiving, give more this season.